Tease done, guys, but we're not. Okay, so next word is one of the most common ones you'll ever hear. You probably heard it already. It's 谢谢. And this means thank you. We're not going to look at the character because they're very complicated. If you're interested in that, you can go to our course where I break them down and make it very interesting along with that. So for now, let's not look at the characters. Let's instead just look at the pinyin, which is the letters we can recognize. It's pronounced 谢谢. 谢谢. And note here how Chinese repeats itself. It loves doing that. And we've already seen that before, for instance, in Pepe. And now it's 谢谢 as well. And so that happens so many times in Chinese. And thankfully, in the word 谢谢 as well. So it makes it easy to remember. Anyway, so 谢谢 is thank you. And the easiest way to say you're welcome is simply by saying no thank you. Literally translated, no thanks. So 不谢. 不谢. So using that 不 that we just learned together with 谢, we get no thanks. One last little side note here is that if a Chinese person, for instance, brings you some tea and then you say, oh, thank you, and they say no thank you, but they're actually saying no thank you as in there's no need to thank me, as in you're welcome. It's just that they've translated literally from Chinese, which gets a bit awkward sometimes. So no thank you means you're welcome if you're Chinese and poor at English. Hello.
Hey.
Please.
谢谢。
不谢不谢